have a head, cold, and a little cough. Me too. That's why my head is going to bump. I feel there's a bump here side. Here is okay, but here is like, look at this. It's like there is something like that. My, I don't know. It's like there's something here. Agree. Ano ba yung sugat? Here. It's something like there's stone. You know what is it? The stone here? Oh my god. Remember Ali is only too much. TikTok. Bel, yes sir, shout out. May ba't wala ka ng birthday ko? Sabi ko, dapat di ka mawala sa birthday ko. Tapos na wala ka. Alam mo naman, ka-birthday ko yung asawa. Ano birthday ko? Maliit na birthday sa asawa mo. Tapos wala ka sa akin. Nakakatampo ka na ako. Wala kang birthday. That's right guys, it's a premiere of Mommy on there. Thank you. Andito ako, nag-shovel. Ben! Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 3 hours. That's right guys, premiere guys, please. I'll take you higher. Diba birthday ko na yung 7, buti mo ako pinunta. Dahil wala ka lang sa 7, mag-gift ka sa akin. Anong gift mo sa akin? Buti mo ako ng gift. Wala kang gift ng birthday ko, daya ka. Dapat i-gift ko sa akin. Sabi mo lang ko, tapos wala kang gift ng birthday ko. Kaya bad weather, kaya dito sa 5 days na. Pag bad weather yan, oy be, saan gift mo sa akin ng birthday ko? Birthday ko na, tapos sa 21, 60 birthday pa ni Papa. Doble-doble na yung gift mo. Yeah, George said she was going to buy me a race car gift. I said, you buy to me, you buy me, because I like a race car, vroom vroom vroom, because that's only a gift, because I can buy the real car, so you're gonna buy me a car, only a gift. It's only a sticker gift. I'm very happy that it's my dream. Aga ako. You're buying it for me. I don't have money. I don't. That's why I don't celebrate my own birthday. Let's go, guys. Let's ride. I sleep my birthday. I was sleep on my birthday. Oh my god. There's visitor but I sleep. Nor do I. Ang bad weather busy. Ano bang bad weather dyan? Kapara pang lakas ng umuulan ba ng yebe?